So we're live.
So welcome everyone. Welcome to the EU Idea Conference today, this Thursday, 15 UTC. The main idea of this event is that you can present in the voting process your proposal and catch new votes. This could be the difference between get funded or not. We have more than 45 projects signed up to present. And we want to ask you that you help us to spreading the word on Twitter, on all the social media, tagging Cardano, and that you are presented here. So this is our event. I hope you like it. And the mantra of Catalyst, who wants to say it? Okay.
Davide, you start?
A lot of people, we have Italian, French, Portuguese, so we need the help of everyone. Who wants to start?
I will, because it's Italian. Benvenuti all'esperimento.
In French, please, someone.
I can jump in.
Awesome. German.
Well, quebrar first in Portuguese and then fill in the documentation in German.
In Swedish, is someone there?
That will be tricky this time.
Sure. In English, someone?
I will do the English
welcome
version.
to the experiment.
Yeah, differ greatly between iterations.
Okay. So, who wants to say the last one?
Disorient, overload, and inspire.
And our goal is provide a safely and lively environment for you to explore the highest potential de la colaboración humana. So,
yay!
Yeah, the Catalyst mantra. So welcome. This is the European Cardano community. This is an event hosted by us and thinking by us in all collaboration with the team. We, the last month, stay in the Cardano hackathon with Latam Cardano and Ada Solar. We are making networking, meeting new people. It is very important. So that's why I want to say thank you to all the projects that support the initiative of European Town Hall going to the rare pool. We have some problems because with some budget and delay of the payments with IOG. So we only need $300 to go now. So I see here some sponsor. I want to give the word to Tangent and Clarity Protocol to say why they decide to support this initiative. You can have one more minute, please. Ben, are you there?
Okay. I'll go first. Yeah, I was going to offer it to Clarity. Thank you, Mauro. So first of all, yeah, it's a pleasure to be here. I believe Clint was also here in last week's meeting, and yeah, thank you for this opportunity to provide some funding to allow the European Town Hall to get to Rare Bloom and hopefully also to Switzerland in time to come. Why did we choose to do this? Well, of course, as Clint probably mentioned as well, we are European. We have a connection to Europe, and we see the rise of the European Town Hall from when it first started. What seems to me just a handful of weeks ago. The support that they're giving to these new startup projects on Cardano with the expert knowledge of a lot of the team is so helpful. So yeah, that's pretty much why we're very happy to provide some funding for this.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, Logan.
Yeah, no, when I was talking to you, Mauro, and this opportunity came about, we were excited to participate because, being part of the Cardano community is special. I think we all have this vision of this better world we can make, where decentralization and trustworthy systems are at the forefront. And building connections is the most important thing. No matter what corner of the world you come from, I think it's super valuable to be able to get the community all in one place, to cultivate those relationships and build these partnerships, so that we can, build this vision of the world we want. So we wanted to give everyone possible that believes in the mission of Cardano the opportunity to come to Rare Bloom. So that's why we participated, and we're really excited about getting everyone together in Denver soon.
Thank you so much. It's always great to meet the projects and people face to face. It's not the same, And now, well, with this problem. We are only $300 away. If another project wants to help or want to support this initiative, will be awesome. We are really, really close. Indeed, we think that we are not going to do it, but we are really, really close. So it's going to be a massive thing and a lovely opportunity to meet all of you in person. So remember that in collaboration with Lay Down Cardano community, we are going to have a Portuguese space this Friday to connect people across 2 continents, from Portugal, Brazil, and everyone in the world who speak Portuguese. Pedro Lucas here is going to be one of the main hosts representing Europe and Portugal. So remember to be there. This is an open space for everyone. I want to see you there. So we are in the middle of Carlos' voting round process. We all going to need it to get founded. And if you doesn't get founded, you always can learn and go to another. Sorry, can someone mute? Okay, no worries. So this is all the social media of the European Cardano community. You have our QR, our Discord server, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, our shop. Now we accept payments with ADA. If you decide to support this community or you feel represented with this community, you can pay with ADA with your t-shirt, a flag, a hoodie, whatever what you want is there. And the Town Hall Zoom link that things may break, you know, and today fail. So again, if you know that someone is presenting today and can connect, send again the link and explaining him or her. Our shop is open, as I say. Our next Town Hall will be this Thursday, 22 of September, with super guests as La Petite Ida, Alison From, and will be a massive event. I hope you can come and share a moment together. So
also Mia Tran from Vietnam will be joining us. Yeah, so very excited about it and very grateful. Yeah.
Thank you, Ricardo. We open the role of country coordinator. If you are we are pursuing decentralization. So we want to support everyone who wants to encourage the initiative of their own country. I don't know, if you are in Portugal, for example, you can be country coordinator, organize Twitter space, organize local hub, and we will help you with the infrastructure of the European Cardano community. The main idea is to, in the next month, scale this thing and experiment a little and see what happens. So we make a survey. We want to get a feedback. We want to get a feedback from our community. What things we are doing great? What things we are doing bad? What things we need to improve? What things do you like? And if you answer this survey, you can win a t-shirt from our shop. Is one thing that we decide to incentivize this answer of the survey and give us feedback, sorry. And well, some rules from the presentations of today. Each proponent will have a slot of 10 minutes. You can use this time as you like. For example, you can present 7 minutes and leave 3 minutes for questions, or you can use the entire time. It's your time, use it as you like. If a single person has more than one proposal, check the Excel as they are distributed with the time in different rooms to make the event more dynamic, so we don't get bored. Important thing, and this is my favorite thing. Yeah, anyone on the team can share the link of the Excel in the chat, please. Thank you. This is a very, very important thing. Each room is personalized. We want to experiment it. Each room is personalized. It is so in detail, mixed in different challenges. In turn, we have to read your proposals and create the breakout rooms looking for projects where we have seen interesting point of connection or collaboration. We have investigated your proposal and we know certain profiles. That's why to make this experience unique, we have created customer breakouts for each one. This is an experiment. It may fail, but we hope you love it. There's a lot of work and time behind this event because we need to read the proposal, look forward to how to make people connect. So this is some rules. The agenda is available here. Someone of the team also is going to throw the links in the chat so you can see where you are going to present your idea and your proposal. There are 5 breakout rooms to join. So hope to see you there. And to encourage you, we going to have some words of Empoa. I don't know if they have the problem with the link or are here. Ricardo?
You are muted, Ricardo.
So Mauro, can you please repeat the question? I was just distracted in the Discord.
No problem.
Messaging with some people that are having trouble entering. Yeah.
If you know that Empoa is here or is having the same problem with the link.
Okay. Let me check in the Twitter whether they message me. One moment.
No problem. We can give them the word.
Okay. So they gave us a signal that they will be joining at 3:15. So is someone from Empower already there?
I think that they are having the problem with the link.
Okay, then I will share with them the updated link and hopefully.
No problem.
Yep.
No problem. And most important thing, enjoy. You survive to the Project Catalyst Fund9. So Fund10 is across the corner. You be here with the community, present your proposals, stay all the way, and Fund9 is ending the next week. So enjoy the moment. Present, enjoy, connect, and learn from each other. So this is all what I'm going to say today. You want to open the breakout rooms?
Yes. So 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so the rooms are open now. And it's set up so that everybody can choose the room that they are assigned to in the Excel. So just open the box and click on assign for the room that you have been assigned.
Okay, and one thing from every host, please respect the 10 minutes time to be equal with everyone. And if you see that some people can't connect because this problem, we can put it in at the end of the agenda. So see you in a minute.
All right.
See you there.
Ricardo, you need to open the breakout rooms.
Yeah.
They are, okay. They are.
Yeah, it's a breakout area.
Now. Perfect.
All right.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
So now we should be on room number 2, right? So, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I'm not.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So now we are in room number 2. Hello, everybody. So thank you for
Hello.
Hello, hello. Excellent. So let me share my screen and then present the Excel file. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. So as Mauro was explaining, this is the sequence for the rooms, and the idea is that we decide flexibly how to use the 10 minutes. So we would start with Dimitri and following by Eric. Yeah, Lucas and I will be having a look at the time, and if you wish, we can give you let's say a signal like 2 minutes before your time ends, and yeah, then I will stop my sharing and hand over to Dimitri for the first presentation for your 10 minutes. Yeah. All right.
Can you just confirm that you can hear me well?
We cannot hear you very well. Is your microphone? Maybe you can put your microphone a little bit closer.
Is it better?
It's a bit better, yeah. Yeah.
Better now?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Okay, hi everybody. Dimitri, I'll be presenting Cardano Beam. I'll probably spend maybe 5 minutes a PowerPoint presentation and then 5 minutes giving you a demo of the platform. So I'll share my screen. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So Cardano Beam, GPS-based assets on the Cardano blockchain. What is it? It's a platform that rewards users for their physical presence at a certain place at a certain time. And the rewards can be NFTs, ADA, or any other token on Cardano. And physical presence is anywhere on the world map. Who is it for? It's for anyone who ever wants to incentivize someone else to be at a certain location out of need or out of love. It's a form of location-based nudge that alters behavior without significantly changing economic incentives. It can be used by event organizers, business advertising, governments, lifestyle and gaming. Think of Pokemon Go here, parcel deliveries, and many other. And how do we do it? Well, we split the world map into squares of 3 by 3 meters, and each square has its own smart contract. And then we built all the infrastructure around it to make this possible. So we've built a web app that runs on the desktop and that people can access and use to place assets on the world map. And then we've also built a mobile app that sits in the user's pocket. Well, and as they walk around and they go to those locations, they redeem the assets. And we've also built the smart contracts and all the backend infrastructure. So we were funded in Fund9, and we will be delivering our app on the mainnet at the end of September. And we'll run a test event at the end of October, 29th of October, where we will cycle for 200 kilometers between Lisbon and the Algarve. There'll be 6 of us. And we really would encourage all the community to follow and see how we progress. There'll be a use case for a real world use case for NFTs here. So only people who have a cycling jersey NFT in their wallets can redeem the assets that are placed on the map. So I'll show you a little bit of a demo of how the app works and how you can participate in that event. We've launched the app on the testnet, and if you go to cardanobeam.app, you'll see it there. It's a fully functioning app. Then if you launch the web app here, it will open something like this. It's a usual map in Lisbon, that's where I'm based. And on the map, you will see colorful icons. These are smart contracts placed at GPS locations with assets inside of them. So for example, if you click on one of them, it will read the blockchain and see that at this particular place, we have a smart contract with this address, with these GPS locations, with a list of items locked at different UTXOs and the conditions that the people need in order to redeem them. So they need to come within 50 meters of the location. They need to hold at least 1 token of this policy ID, and they have to come there before August 2099. So a hell of a lot of time. There's many assets placed here. So what I will just go to another location, as this will be the place where we'll be starting from. And what you can do during the event is you can connect your wallet to our app and click on any of the checkpoints and add more assets to that location. this is the functionality that we've built completely from the ground up. It is unique as far as we know for Cardano and any other blockchain. And this permits to lock assets in smart contracts at GPS locations. So when I clicked add more to that location, it opened up some information about the smart contract, as well as giving me the option to add more. So in this case, I'll just, in an example, add, well, let's say 15 ADA to that location. I will submit it. And it will ask me for the password. This is the test net, so I'm not revealing anything. I will sign the transaction. And have to wait on the blockchain. It can take anywhere between 1 and 20 seconds to process. So this was quick. Here's the transaction hash. And my 15 ADA was added on the blockchain. Now, what will happen on the 29th of October is that we will be using our mobile apps, which we developed as well. I will try to show it to you. This is the mobile app. I'm running on an emulator. To open up, this is what you will see. And the user of the mobile app sees the assets that are in front of him. Now, when you're on the web app, you will see the users that are active, and you'll be able to activate them and see where they are. So this is a live tracking functionality where you will see us going by on the road towards the south of Portugal, and you can literally drop money in front of us, or NFTs. So there can be any tokens added. You can add assets that I have in my wallet, so I can go and add more tokens, and this can be NFTs. You can also see what is the content of the wallet of the people who are participating. So this is the wallet of that person. You can see it has some ADA, some positive points. Yeah, and you can use this to condition who has the right to pick up the rewards, because you can configure the smart contract so only certain people have access to the rewards. Now, this is great. We've been very productive, and we've delivering this at the end of October. We'll finalize our Fund 8 budget, and we'll promise to deliver. I'll just go back to the presentation. Now, we've been sort of talking to businesses about this, and they really love the idea of having assets at GPS locations and the fact that you're connecting the real world to the blockchain. Their concern is they don't want to deal with crypto wallets. They just want an interface where they can put the credit cards and fund their accounts. So for Fund9, we want to build a private area with a fiat on-ramp, so a corporation can go and just charge some dollars into their account and start placing assets on the map. We've also built an Android version of our mobile app. We haven't built a fully functioning Apple version. It's in the working, but it's not finalized. So we're asking for additional funds to build an Apple version. And we recognize that there's a possibility for GPS spoofing. We control it to a large extent by only distributing rewards to people who already have an NFT in the wallet. So an event organizer can track the people who have that particular NFT, but to make this anonymous, and so anybody can use the app and just walk around picking up the assets. We need to do a little bit more work on protecting this against GPS spoofing. There are many ways to do this. We have a centralized database of Wi-Fi points which we can cross-reference. That's the next step. And the last step is utilizing some kind of like a helium network to send transactions through. We also need to improve the UX UI, and we have a company, a local agency who's going to work with us on that. and we want to spend some time doing business development with corporations. We received good feedback. Corporations are interested. They need people to sit with them to demo and to explain how they can get involved. So that's the Catalyst idea scale link, the website, and a few more useful links. Thank you for your time. I'll hand it back to you now.
Sorry, can I ask you to share that link on the chat, please? I'll be curious to make a copy of it. And could you just talk 1 minute about the real use cases in terms of why institutions may use this product? Just very.
And then you can have cafes and restaurants, for example, that are located very far from the beaten path. They might want to attract visitors. They can place tokens next to themselves, so people see rewards on the phone and go there. Maybe have a coffee, maybe look at the view. Because when exercising, I usually find a problem. I don't really know where to go. And if somebody gave me an incentive to go one way rather than the other, I'll probably go there. So there are.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Cool.
Cheers. Ricardo?
Yes. So we move now to the second presentation. Lucas, do you have the overview? I am having trouble.
Yes.
The recording for the other room.
Yeah, I have Eric Duno next with One Crypto Pass.
It's me.
Hi, Eric.
How are you?
Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Go for it. Cheers.
Okay, thank you. You see my screen? Yeah, right. Okay. One Crypto Pass is about securing your seed phrases. So the question, we want to onboard millions and hundreds of millions and possibly 1 billion users on crypto, but we want to ask them to have their self-custody wallet, but it comes with great responsibility. And so I was part of the meetup in London. So it's Cardano meetup. We were with like very, let's call it hardcore Cardano fans and people. And I asked them, how do you secure your seed phrase? And half of them, they write it down on paper. So basically they're going to get hacked. Another nearly half, they put it on the cloud. So Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. So they're going to get hacked even faster than the ones on paper. And one guy said, no, what he did is he engraved it in on a metal sheet. So I just was very, very surprised. So frankly, so the seed phrase, for those who don't know what it is the little words that you're given at the onboarding on your crypto wallet. And this is what gives access to your crypto wallet. Usually I say it's 15 words, could be 20